Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shinta Brown, and in today's video we are in spring. It is sprung, and that means it's hosting season. I got some new household products. Oh my god, as you can see, I've laid them all out for you. So we're gonna get into what I got. I've had the chance to use my new Dutch ovens. So yeah, let's get into it. Is it worth the money or not? So guys, I did a massive William Sonoma haul, and I was able to pick up all my Le Creuset pots and pans, and I really want to talk to you about it because although it is pricey, it is so worth every single dime. So I've been using this for a couple of months now because I wanted to make sure that I really love it before talking to you guys about it. And let's go over what I got. So I got my soup pot here. I made some chicken peanut butter soup the other day in this fabulous, and the inside is like this yellow stain, which I really love. When I was picking out my pots, I wasn't able to get this particular one to match the rest, but I felt like this was still good enough. I love the two-tone color that it was giving me. It still matches the vibe of my home. So I still went with it, baby, and I love it. Here, I love to make my jollof rices in this. And then I have my big frying pan. I mean, this is as big as my head, probably even bigger. I'm so obsessed with it. You could fry like your chicken, you could do whatever with it, but one of the things that I love the most about this particular brand and this particular pot is the fact that I can put all of these items in the oven. They go on the stove and they go in the oven. So I love that for me, okay? I love a multi-purpose kind of anything, whether it's jewelry, whether it's a pot and a pan, as simple as that. It's also easy to clean. So easy. I've been terrified to put things in a dishwasher. This is dishwasher approved, and I tested it out. Everything came off. It still looks good. I love it. I'm honestly, truly happy with these pots and pans. They're really worth every single dime. I cannot express that enough. Now, you do have to relearn how to use it. First of all, these pots and pans have weight to it, and they heat up very fast. So you do have to kind of relearn. When I say relearn, so you heat your pot up, you have the oil heating up for a bit before you start to cook. Unlike other pots and pans where you can just put it on and then the non-stick, it will just, not stick. These ones, they will stick if you allow it. So you want to make sure that you heat up the oil to a certain temperature before cooking your items inside the pot. Other than that, it's really easy to come off. There's also a cleaner that you can use. I purchased mine again with William Sonoma, and that also helps keep the color and the polish of the pots and pans for everlasting finish. Okay, we want an everlasting finish, so I did buy the brand's cleaner to polish and clean my pots and pans, okay? Because this is an investment that I am wanting to keep forever. It will be lovely to pass this down to my daughter and stuff, so yeah. Another thing that I love about these pots and pans, and I went ahead and put it on a riser so you could see, is the fact that when you have a get-together or when you are hosting, okay, cheers, you don't have to, go buy something to present for people to get the food out. They can actually get it out from this. This is aesthetically pleasing enough that it can be used to display your food for events, which I love for me, okay? For example, I just got my bacon out and I went ahead and used this dish here, and I love that I can put it on the stove and also in the oven. So voila, prime example there. I have to give my son some food. So allow me to be a mom for a second. If you hear any noise in my background, excuse me, my child is eating. So now back to what we were discussing. This, I love to make jollof in, as I stated before, and this is the 8 quarts, okay? It is 8 and it is deep, okay? It is so deep and wide, my friends. So I just love it. I'm obsessed. And as you can hear, I told you, you can lift weights with this. This has so much weight to it, guys. Like, I kid you not. If you're gonna put it in your dishwasher, make sure to put it on the bottom rack because these are really, really heavy. Okay? I love them. I love them. I love them. I cannot express that enough. The aesthetic and everything, they come in several colors. You can get a solid color or you can get the two-tone like I've chosen here. There we go. And also, you can change the grips, which I love. So let's say if you have gold theme in your house, you can go ahead and actually change the top part to a gold. This one is black. I'm gonna end up changing this to match the silver that I got going on here. So now let's talk about dining wear, okay? For the dinnerware, we got CB2. And I love these glasses. I just love them. I love the detailing on them. I just feel like it makes drinking whatever, whether it's champagne, a mimosa, or whatever with the girls, more fanciful. And I love that for us. It is very demure, very cutesy. Like, come on, okay? This and a regular champagne or a wine glass. Like, wouldn't you pick this? I think so. And then another item I got from CB2 is this bullet matte glass. Very fancy. We could have went with a clear, and I did get a clear, but I also went with this because I love a little detail, and I'm a sucker for the details. So I love this color. Had to match it with these, okay? Again, perfect for hosting. I would definitely put some mojitos in here, some raspberry whatever, okay? Really cute in here. And then, I don't know if you've noticed the theme here. I'm doing a lot of white, clear, and gray in my home. Okay, so I went with a CB2 plate set. And I love, 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 love the detailing of this. This came in a set of 3, okay? And then they also have like the little cups, which, give me 1 minute, let me show you. How cute is this? You know, I love to eat my ice cream in here because it actually really keeps it very cold. Now the inside has this smooth, shiny material and the outside is matte. I love that. So this is a whole set, but the cups come separate. So I got these 2, but I need like 2 more. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you love my video. I will go ahead and link everything down below. These items some of them are on sale right now with William Sonoma. So if you are a William Sonoma girly, you definitely want to check it out. They are having some sales for the springtime and now. And yeah, love you. Bye.